Why were some diabetes genes historically advantageous? Imagine living in a world where food was scarce and unpredictable, and fighting off infections was a constant battle. In such times, certain genes that now increase diabetes risk actually helped humans survive. Some genes associated with diabetes risk were once very helpful because they helped humans handle feast and famine cycles, infectious diseases, and changing diets. These genes influence how the body controls blood sugar, insulin production, and how sensitive the body is to insulin. Type 1 diabetes involves the immune system attacking insulin-producing cells, while type 2 diabetes involves the body resisting insulin and not making enough. When we talk about genetic predisposition, we mean inheriting gene variants that make someone more likely to develop diabetes. The idea of the Thrifty gene hypothesis, proposed in 1962, explains this well. It suggests that genes encouraging quick fat storage and efficient energy use were a big help in ancient times. When food was plentiful, these genes helped people store fat fast, so they could survive during food shortages. This was especially useful during the Paleolithic era when food supplies were unpredictable. But today, with constant access to food, these same genes can cause excessive fat buildup and insulin resistance, leading to type 2 diabetes. Some gene variants linked to type 1 diabetes might have offered protection against viruses and bacteria. Back then, surviving infections was more important than avoiding autoimmune diseases. These genes may have helped immune systems fight off deadly infections, even if they increased the risk of autoimmune conditions later. Genes inherited from Neanderthals also play a role. Some diabetes-related gene variants entered the human gene pool through interbreeding with Neanderthals. These variants evolved in Neanderthals to help them survive cold climates and different diets. When modern humans inherited these genes, they sometimes increased the chance of developing diabetes, especially in environments very different from those in which they evolved. As humans moved from African jungles to open savannas and coastal areas, their diets changed. They shifted from high-carbohydrate foods to more protein and fats. To adapt, some genes promoted insulin resistance and increased glucose production by the liver. This helped keep energy flowing to vital organs during times of scarcity. These adaptations, once life-saving, now can lead to higher diabetes risk in today's world of constant food availability. Knowing this history helps us understand why some families have a higher chance of developing diabetes. Genetic testing can identify specific gene variants linked to this risk. This allows for early lifestyle changes like healthier eating and more exercise to prevent or delay the onset of diabetes. Understanding how our ancestors' genes influence survival can guide healthcare providers in assessing risk, especially in diverse populations where Neanderthal gene inheritance varies. In the end, these genes were once powerful tools for survival. They helped humans endure tough environments and infectious threats. Today, those same genes can make us more prone to diabetes because our lifestyles have changed so much. Recognizing this connection helps us make smarter choices and better manage hereditary health risks.